Welcome guys. In this video we are going to be learning how to solve this interesting exponential equation using a simple and powerful method. So let's go. First of all, let's divide the power of both sides by x. We have x plus 1 to the power of x times e to the power of x plus 1, then all times 1 over x equals minus x over e to the power of x times 1 over x. The power multiplies the brackets, and we are going to have x plus 1 to the power of x times 1 over x, then times e to the power of x plus 1 over x equals minus x over e to the power of x times 1 over x. Therefore, say x cancels x, also here x cancels x. So we are going to be left with x plus 1 times e to the power of x plus 1 over x equals minus x over e. So we can rewrite x over e as minus x times e to the power of minus 1 equals x plus 1 times e to the power of x plus 1 over x. So here now let's divide both sides by x. We have x plus 1 times e to the power of x plus 1 over x divided by x, then equals minus x times e to the power of minus 1 divided by x. So here we can say x cancels x. Therefore, we are going to be left with x plus 1 over x. We can separate it times e to the power of x plus 1 all over x, then equals, here we have minus e to the power of minus 1. So from here now, if we observe closely, we can see that this variable of x have the exact same form. Therefore, we can use a simple substitution. We can say let x plus 1 over x equals y. Therefore, instead of x plus 1, we'll be writing y. So we have y times e to the power of y equals minus e to the power of minus 1. So by studying this equation, we can see, therefore, that y equals minus 1, because we can as well place a coefficient of 1 here. So therefore, don't forget x plus 1 over x equals minus 1. And when we solve this linearly, we'll see that x plus 1 equals minus x. Then solving this, you see that 2x equals minus 1 by transposition. Therefore, when we divide both sides by 2, see that x equals minus 1 over 2. Correct.